Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is ST Engineering iDirect's Belgian Manufacturing Center selected for NATO ESSM Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile Block 2 missile program support. ST Engineering iDirect has announced that its Manufacturing Competence Center in Erpimir, Belgium, has been selected by Raytheon, an RTX business, to support the Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile ESSM Block 2 program. The company described the selection as a significant milestone, positioning the Belgian site as a strategic European partner in advanced defense production for one of NATO's longest-running cooperative initiatives. Operational since 1968, the ESSM Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile Program is the longest-running cooperative smart defense initiative in NATO's history. It remains a central element of international naval defense strategy. The Manufacturing Competence Center was chosen for its experience in managing high-complexity, high-mix production within the defense sector. The facility holds AS/EN 9100 certification for aviation, space, and defense, with manufacturing processes aligned to strict quality standards required for mission-critical programs such as ESSM Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile. At Raytheon, innovation is intrinsic to what we do, and we found a partner in ST Engineering iDirect's European Manufacturing Competence Center that operates from a shared strategic vision, said Misty Holmes, Vice President of Shipboard Missiles at Raytheon. Together, we will pair cutting-edge technology with state-of-the-art manufacturing to deliver unmatched capability to US, NATO, and allied navies around the world. Being selected to support the ESSM Block 2 program is a testament to the Manufacturing Competence Center's dedication to excellence and innovation, and underscores its reputation as a premier European facility for high-reliability electronics manufacturing, said Tom Hamelinks, Plant Director at ST Engineering iDirect. This collaboration highlights the strategic importance of Belgian manufacturing capabilities and reinforces our commitment to delivering high-reliability solutions that meet the stringent demands of the defense industry. Theo Franken, Belgian Minister of Defense, said the development followed discussions aimed at strengthening Belgian participation in the program. During our visit to the Raytheon facilities in Tucson last October, we emphasized the importance of increasing Belgian participation in the ESSM Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile Block 2 program. We are very pleased to see RTX translating that dialogue into concrete deliverables so quickly. Companies such as ST Engineering iDirect clearly demonstrate the potential and added value of Belgium's defense industry to large international programs such as Sea Sparrow, he said. Peter Bijsrog, Chairman of the Defense Committee and Alderman of Sint-Niklaas, said the government was increasing defense investment while seeking greater industrial involvement. To guarantee peace and security, this government and Minister Franken are structurally investing in defense. It is crucial to involve our own industry and build strategic autonomy. ST Engineering iDirect's contributions are invaluable, he added. The company said the collaboration with Raytheon reinforces the Manufacturing Competence Center's role in supporting European and global defense infrastructure within the NATO alliance. The facility has been recognized for times as a factory of the future and integrates advanced testing capabilities, comprehensive traceability systems, and robust supply chain management to meet defense contracting requirements. ST Engineering iDirect, a subsidiary of ST Engineering, provides satellite communications technology and solutions to commercial and government customers. Its iDirect product portfolio supports sectors including mobility, broadcast and military and government services, and in 2007 the company formed iDirect Government to serve US government and defense communities. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology.